Namaste. International Women's Day is celebrated every year on the 8th of March. It focuses on the movements for women's rights, celebrating the role of woman as daughter, mother, sister, and homemaker. It's a day to celebrate acts of courage and determination by ordinary women who have played an extraordinary role in the history of their countries and communities. The theme of International Women's Day 2021 is Women in Leadership Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. Today, we are celebrating International Women's Day. We are pleased to have with us Mrs. Annie Mary Dina from Romania, an entrepreneur and abstract accessible artist. It's great honor to have you with us in this day. You are the sculpture of humanity and you lighten us with the message. Here comes Annie Mary Dina.
Happy Women's Day to all. Today we are celebrating the International Women's Day. I'm really happy for the opportunity to speak on this day, and for this I want to thank to the leader of the Harishri Vidyaniketan Public School. This day is celebrated every year on the 8th March. But for me this day represents a new beginning. 13 years ago on this very day I've reached India to start a new life beside my Indian husband and his family. Was a big challenge because I've changed everything in my life. Now, after 13 years, I can say that courage was the engine of my new life. Because courage is like love, it feeds on hope. Without courage, without determination to have a good marriage, to have a good life, nothing could have been done. I realized that I am the leader of my own life, of my marriage also. Actually, without women the world cannot exist. Everyone knows this simple truth. Unfortunately, in many places woman still is considered an ornament or an object to be used till her end. This fact can be changed by us, not by men. With courage, women can bring changes in their lives by standing and fighting gentle for their rights. Everything has to start within our mind, to gain free mind, to be able to decide for ourselves, but our decision should not harm anyone around us. In this way, we are leading our own lives, and in this way, we gain the respect of men. Every leading woman started changing herself by freeing the mind from mentality, by chasing their dreams to make them true.
She is woman. She has hope, beauty and power. She gives you life. She gives you respect, love and gratitude. She believes in you. She will nurture you, fight for you. She deserves nothing less from you. Mrs. Indulega Suraj, our Madhur Bharati president, a producer, baker, founder. Yes, really an entrepreneur. It's pressure to have a felicitation from this young, elegant lady.
Namaste. I am Indulega Suraj, Madhur Bharati President of Harishri Vidyaniketan Public School, Tumbur. First of all, let me wish a happy Women's Day to all the incredible women. Shine on, not just today, but every day. Women are always a source of inspiration for the family and the society. International Women's Day is celebrated across the world every year on March 8th to honor the achievements of women in various fields. It is celebrated to express the appreciation, respect, love and care towards all women. The significance of this day is increasing every year. Today's women are self-dependent and are giving a big contribution for the family, society and the country. Once again, I wish you a happy Women's Day and I feel proud to become a woman. Thank you.